What's up, guys? It's your girl Matt Cox with MA Couture Crafting, and today is another Notions for Notions video. This is my second favorite pair of scissors. This is a splurge. This is not something I would consider a basic, something that you have to have. But I love these. I use them all the time. I keep them in my little pouch. We should go through the pouch that sits my sewing pad. We should go through that because anything that's in there is something that I use all the time. I'm going to make another one. I think we should make them together because that's actually the most used notion in my sewing room is that pouch. But anyway, I digress. Second favorite pair of scissors ever are by Fiskars, and they are the spring-loaded. So they look like these scissors, which are my craft scissors, but they have a guard on them, and they're so awesome. I can open them and close them with the guard with just one hand. I love those scissors. I use it for clipping my threads, and it's sharp. So it's like you can cut all the way to the point, just like these here, like all the way to that point. And I love them. I pop them open, snip, snip. I use them a lot with my sewing machine. It sits right in front of my sewing machine, and it's just another little notion that I use all the time. I mean, all the time, probably every day that I'm sewing, I probably reach down in that pocket and just grab something and snip it really quickly. If I am snipping on fabric, I prefer the curved ones that I've talked about before, but these ones are just a great scissor to have where you just need to clip some threads real quick, or you just need to cut something. I only use it for thread, every now and then fabric. I just like these scissors. I like the way they feel in my hand. I like that they're not, over my hand. They're just spring loaded. Just a solid pair of scissors that I use a lot. It's a splurge. It's not one you have to have, but I think if you try it, you'll like it. All right, guys, I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.